Here we are at the Kuang Xi I don't know, I can't remember the name. Waterfalls. Just looking all around. In the distance over there is Ian. Going tight on him now. No picture as usual. Just pan back slowly from him. And round. Goes down onto 7 pools of water. Absolutely fantastic. And of course, you have yours truly from the waterfall saying hello. Bye.